Yeah.
Look at all the presents he left you.
Yeah.
Oh, you're worried about the milk and cookies. Did he eat them? Okay. He ate the milk, or he drank the milk and ate the cookies.
Yeah.
What is all that?
Whoa, you see all that?
You must have been a good girl, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see the door
Dora.
presents. You want to open some?
You want to start with your stocking?
We gotta start with the stocking, okay? Look at this one first.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Mushy.
Got a pillow?
Mushy.
Your free
Oh, a toothbrush. Wow.
teeth?
That's right, you can use it to brush your teeth.
Set yourself over here.
Ooh.
Oh,
Okay.
honey, you just can't.
Oh, you giving mommy and daddy presents?
Yeah.
That's very nice of you.
And that's why you got so many.
Don't touch that. Hey, do you want to open them? Do you have any more in there? No? Okay. That's
Alright.
alright. Here. Let's open them.
This is to Lily from the cats, Travis and Misty. What is it? Ooh, hoo, hoo.
What are those?
Green.
Crayons?
Yeah.
Wow.
Go.
Say thank you.
Green.
Okay, let's just set them right here. Honey, we have lots to open. We can color later, okay? We'll just set them right here, okay?
What about this one? Look. This is to Lily from Travis, Misty, and the cats too.
She was looking for a coloring book already.
What on earth could it be?
Ooh.
Ooh.
Marble.
Is it?
Marble.
Aww.
Is it a doggy?
See? Ooh, soft, huh? Oh, no. You want to tag on?
Hold on, Lily.
Okay. Cute doggy, huh? So it's really going to be an all-day process. You want to put them next to your crayons?
No.
Alright, well, you got Lily. Lily, look at mommy. You realize all of these presents are for you, honey.
Look. Oh, you want to open that one? Okay.
This is from Grammy.
No.
And Grandpa.
And that.
It's a box.
Ooh.
Can I help?
No.
Okay, how about you just tear it up? There you go. That's the way you do it.
Whoa.
You gotta open the box. Okay? Oh boy!
Look at that.
Hold on, honey. Can we look at it? It's a little ballet shirt. And ballet slippers. And a tutu. Isn't that so cute? Do you love it? I do.
Is that another one from Granny and Grandpa?
that.
Oh boy. Is that Gabba Gabba? Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Do you know what that is? You dance on it and it plays music. Oh boy. We'll open it after, okay, honey? Yeah, but you're excited. You love that, huh? That looks pretty cool, huh? All right.
Do you want to open this one from Hannah and Uncle Jimmy? Here you are. You want the bigger one? That one's from Alex. You gonna open it?
They go in the bath with you?
Who's that? And who else? Dora and Boots.
Cover your mouth. Oh my goodness. No.
They go in the bath
They go
with
in the
you.
bathtub with you. Are you gonna like bath time again now? We can play with them tonight when we take a bath. Darn Boots, that's right.
Here. This one's from Hannah and Uncle Jimmy.
I should have written it.
There you go. It's okay. We don't get to save the wrapping paper.
Finger right in there. Ah, good job. Oh, you had it.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
Markers.
Mommy's favorite markers. Color Wonderland. Yay!
Look at that.
No, so we're not going to take them all out right
Can we
now.
keep them in there for now?
Okay, now you have all the colors that you didn't have before.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Can we put them with your crayons? Put them with your crayons.